Hi, this is Swapna from the channel The Tech Outlook. In my today's video, I will explain you mapReduce function in MongoDB. In my last video, I have explained you mapReduce function, but that was theoretical implementation. Here, I will execute mapReduce function in MongoDB. For mapReduce function, if you will see my last video, I have explained you three functions: map function, reduce function, and mapReduce function. For better understanding, you watch that video. In map function, we produce the pairs. In reduce function, we prepare the groups according to the ID. And in mapReduce function, we execute map function and reduce function, and result will be stored into another collection. So already we have created order collection. If you will see this command, we can see number of documents in order collection. Whenever we execute mapReduce function, the focus is given on two attributes. The first one is ID and the second one is the attribute which has integer data type. So here we will execute mapReduce function on first ID and amount attribute. So firstly we will write map function. For map function, here I will use var. Here you can see var map function. You can give any name to that function, map function, then function, then in this brace I will write the syntax for emitting the pairs. We have to use this operator, this cust id comma this dot amount, then here map function 2. So if you have 10 documents, 10 pairs will be produced. In the second function, reduce function, you can give again any name. In the reduce function, we will use sum here, in which we will calculate the sum of all amount wherever id is same. So key comma amount, then in the second we will return what is to be written, sum. So that is the syntax of reduce function. Dot sum into bracket I will write amount. So both the functions are created, map and reduce, and in the third step I will call both the functions in map reduce. This is a case sensitive, so you have to use R in capital, this one. Map reduce function, in which I will give a call to map function 2 comma reduce function 2. Then this result I will store in another variable, another collection. So you can give any name to that collection, and that should be in double quote. So here I will close the brace. So here you can see, guys, you can see result is equal to map3, and 3 steps have been executed successfully. So if you want to see the result, I will execute the command db.map3.find. So here you can see ID cost ID 1 has to pay 37,000, 2 6,000, and 3 1200. So what was the order collection? I will explain you again. Cost ID, 4 times cost ID 1 has come. This one is first for the amount 1000, cost ID 1 30,000. So it makes summation, it makes 31,000. Then 31 plus 3,000, 33,000, and cost ID 1 34,000 here, and cost ID 1 3, so 37,000. So for cost ID 1, the total amount is 37,000. For cost ID 2, this amount is 2,000. Cost ID 2 4,000. So 2,000 plus 4,000 is, it makes 3,000. That is correct. And cost ID 3 has 200 here, and cost ID 3 here you have 1000. So 1000 plus 200, it becomes your 1200. So this is a MapReduce function. 3 steps to be executed. In the map function, we produce the pairs. In reduce function, we calculate the total of same ID, and in the MapReduce function, we give a call to both the function map and reduce, and that result will be stored into another collection. So there is no need to create map3 collection. It is automatically created and result is stored into that collection that you have seen here. So I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, please you can comment. I will definitely answer your query. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe.